Mate, look at you, Mod. You're all dressed up. I look scruffy.
Do I?
Yeah, don't look scruffy. I look scruffy. You're the professional. So what are we cooking today, mate?
So I'm gonna cook grilled chicken breast, marinate in Thai red curry paste, and a little bit of coconut milk.
Cool, and some salad.
And some salad on the side.
I know I'm in good hands with you, Mod, because you always cook wonderful food. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
I'm really excited about this dish, Mod. The way you're talking about it, chicken breast marinated in coconut and curry paste. So what have we got, red curry paste?
Yes, red curry paste. So we start with all the marinade for chicken first.
Right. And how long would you normally marinate that for?
About 1 hour should be enough. Or if you have time, you could make it overnight.
Yeah, okay. So as long or as little as you like, but recommended at least 1 hour. So a little bit of curry paste. This is the red curry paste. So this is red because it's got chilies in it.
Yes, it's got red chili in there.
Bit of coconut milk. And coconut milk and cream has always been a part of Thai food.
Yes. Fish sauce.
Fish sauce. The salt of Thai cuisine. It's one of my favorite things. Sugar. And could you do this recipe with like seafood as well?
You can do with any meat.
Nice pork chop.
Yes, can.
Yeah. In Thai food, there's no meat that they don't eat. It's not like, you know, they eat pork. They love pork.
Yes.
Duck, everything.
Everything. And then we get our hand dirty a little bit.
So if you were going to a barbecue, you could do this and put it in a Ziploc bag?
Yes, Ziploc bag. Chuck in the fridge before one day, and then tomorrow you have party, you just chuck on the grill.
Yeah, straight on the barbecue, a little bit of salad. And what else do you serve with this? Obviously the salad.
Salad leaves, yes.
But do you make a dressing for the salad?
Because we eat it with rice, so this one is just balance a little bit flavor.
Yeah.
Get a little bit of vegetable in there. That's it. Okay. Or you can serve with blanched vegetables. Also can.
Yeah, like green beans, broccoli.
Yeah.
So medium sort of heat. I'll step out of your way, mate. You can get stuck into it. Straight on with the beautiful chicken. A little bit of sizzle. And the aromas straight away are just so fantastic. Cool. And you don't want it too hot because with the marinade it will burn.
It will burn, yeah. Don't want to do it too long on the grill. You're afraid it's going to be burnt. You can just sear it two sides and then chuck in the oven.
Oh, nice and easy, yeah. So you do much cooking at home, Mod?
Yes.
What's your son's favourite meal?
Actually, he doesn't eat much Thai food.
That's crazy. Well, my son, for a long time, all he would eat would be sausages.
Oh, okay.
Sausages, and now, I don't think it was about, from when he was about 7 to maybe 10, he was terrible. Just sausages. Broccoli maybe, and now he eats everything. So a couple of years, maybe he'll be loving this.
Yeah.
What's he like then? What's he like to eat?
Normal kids like fried chicken.
Yeah.
And then now he start eating some salad leaves. Yes.
Oh, yeah, they come round, mate. They do come round.
Yeah.
That's so funny. He doesn't eat Thai food. But we had a lady from Kath from the Sweet Greek, and when she was growing up, she was an immigrant, Greek immigrant family, and they didn't want to eat Greek food. Sometimes the little kids, you know, they don't want to stand out. They just want to eat what everyone else is eating. So
okay, now we start making the sauce. While we wait for the chicken to cook. This one is water.
So water, sugar, and look at this. This chicken's got a lovely glaze because of that sugar that was in it. It's all caramelized.
Tamarind paste.
Tamarind. So that's the pulp or the paste from the tamarind fruit, and it's sour, isn't it?
Yes, it's sour, really sour.
So with the sugar and the sour, you get that nice balance.
At home, sometimes I like to eat it with sticky rice.
Oh yeah.
You just dip it in.
Yep.
So it's give like sour and sweet and spicy in there.
Yeah, yum. And a little bit of salt. So you just mix that up into a kind of a dressing.
Yes. Okay.
So we're adding dried chili for it now?
Yes, we're adding dry chili now.
All of that?
Yeah, all of that. It's not much actually.
It's about a tablespoon of dried chili. It's going to be hot. But it wouldn't be Thai if it wasn't hot, would it?
Yes.
Do you like lots of chili?
Yeah, I eat really spicy actually.
Have a little taste.
Done.
Oh, that's really good. And because it's dry chili, it's actually not that hot.
Yes.
It's not like you're biting into like a scud or a hot chili, a habanero.
Yeah.
So yeah, you serve that on the side.
Yes, up on the side.
I love tamarind. A street near me in Brisbane, the tamarind trees all the way down it.
Oh,
So in sort of like in summertime, beginning of summertime, they eat fruit, and the bats go crazy. The bats eat them. So we're looking for that nice colour.
yes.
Cook them all the way through. Good caramelisation.
You can raise it a little bit,
Yep.
and then you cut it. It's hot.
Would you call that? It's hot. Yeah, yeah. I thought your fingers would be used to it. Would you call that guy young? No.
We can call it also because gai is chicken,
Yeah.
yang is grill.
Yeah,
so it's grill chicken here.
All these people are watching, thinking, "I want to eat some."
Done.
Superb. Can I have a little taste?
Yes, sure.
A little. I'm gonna have a big bit.
How's it?
Nice little curry flavour, not too strong, but with the dipping sauce, boom.
Yeah, it's bring up the flavor.
Yeah.
It's just a kick in it.
I could drink that dipping sauce. It's so tasty. Well done, mate. Thank you very much.
Thank you.